Welcome to part 2. I have had an idea. I have a picture of part 1, which should serve me well enough. My idea is to take the space gray and create a bunch of lines and use all different size lines. And give it some impact. Because I think it will. You've got a couple different size cards. I'm going to need a bunch of that paint. I don't mind them being different sizes. I could even go with different colors. This is definitely my abstract expressionist artwork. It just didn't look finished at the end of part 1. What can I say? This is the space gray that I was using before. It's nice and dark, but it'll have a metallic finish to it. Oh, I'm already liking this a whole lot better than I was. Looks like something as opposed to what it was, which was not much. It was an almost. Having the canvas texture was distracting to me. I thought I would make patterns going all the way around, but it might be finished in a heartbeat. Because I'm finding that there's some balance in here. I'm going to have to put down some more paint though. I wondered what I was going to do with this paint color. It's not my first choice. Oh, I like the dots. That's interesting. That happened by accident. It may not be an accident in a minute. If I use the card straight up and down, it's less likely to dot. See, no dots. Do I want any other color? I'm not sure yet. I'm having too much fun again. Somebody stop me. Who knows where that quote is from? Give you a hint. Jim Carrey. I'm really tempted to go ahead and try something else like the purple. I want to. I'm not positive about the purple yet, anyway. Makes a pretty small mark if you're just dipping the edge. I might just play with this until time runs out, because I'm beginning to like the idea of filling in the space, which was not my original plan. I was going to put tracks, but not fill in the space. I could take a long time and play with this, stand back a bunch, or I could just keep working on it and hope that it works out, which is basically the way most of my fluid art goes anyway. It's good to turn things around once in a while. I'm going to throw down some cobalt blue and see how that goes. I kind of feel like maybe I should be using a smaller card. Well, that tracks really well. it's got a little, probably a little gray undertone. That's neat. I like that a lot. Goes way farther than I expect. I think that red, that fiery red is probably coming. I'm having a good time. Thank you for joining me, you guys. I don't know if anybody but me likes this. That looks like an awfully big mark, but do I like them crossed over? I kind of do. I'm going to give myself some of that fiery red. I think this time I'll wipe off my card just because. Yep, I'm liking that. I put some of that Decor Americana 24 karat gold that had orange in it over here, and I didn't put it anywhere else, which is a little strange right now. I do like the mark making when it's crossed over and not so regulated. It's becoming kind of exciting, for me at least. I don't know when to stop. That's always been a problem, right? I run out of time. That makes it easy. I wonder what I have. If I could just switch and drag through some of those little marks that I made. And I can. Kind of missing the purple. Let's do some more of that. I kind of even embrace the accidental blobs. It reminds me of a mid-century modern design, totally. Which didn't occur to me until right now. It just seems like it needs something else to me, which would be some pale blue. Yeah, let's try it. Give it a little shake. It's subtle. Definitely subtler than it would be if I were to put the Venetian blue without the Anita's white metallic in it, which is what this is. Kind of like that, actually. Just going for the voids, trying to let my mind wander to feel comfortable with the spaces. It just makes me want to go back to the red, like a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot. And put some more down, in fact. It's sort of becoming red dominant in my mind. I think there's the balance between the yellow and the gray was too even. I think I would like to start with the gray next time and come back afterwards after it dries and put in the yellow. But I'm having a good time still. Thank you guys for joining me. There's over 93,000 subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. If you're not a new subscriber, thank you for hanging out. I love you guys. I think I might be ready for some black. Maybe that means I should stick with the space gray again. Just keep using up the colors that I've got. And the dish seems to be working out okay for me. And then she got that wild idea to pull a few colors. That is the cobalt blue that's turquoise again. I think I need something over here. Oh, we got a two-tone. And more. Makes me want to pick up some white. Not sure how that would work. But if I'm going to do that, I better do it soon. And I don't necessarily want it to be the metallic, because everything else is already. So let me just grab, excuse your ears, a little dish, wipe off my card, and see what happens. I think that's nice. Yep, I'm liking that. Hey, wrapping paper. Or wallpaper. I know the Meeden white will show up. I think I'm almost done. At least for today. That was amusing. And I hope I entertained you a little bit. But yeah, I'm actually really looking, I'm standing back. And I have a very pleasant sensation from standing back. Things are a little on the even side. I can drag a few white spots very cautiously, which will be somewhat gray because of what they're being dragged on. Not that one, that'll be blue. Cool. All right, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I've done. I really appreciate that. I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. This is definitely different for what I usually do. It's all about mark making. I could put some spirals in there. That would be fun. I'm not going to do that. That would just be too kitschy for words. All right. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check my community board for tomorrow's video. Check my playlists, all playlists, created playlists for the over 2,000 videos that are organized by topic and genre. Oh yeah, hey, from up here, that's good. Ha! From down there, it's pretty good too. Hopefully the thumbnail will show you. Okay, so thank you again for all the wonderful comments you leave me to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link that's at no added cost to you, where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for asking questions, and I will be happy to answer them if I have the answers for them. If you are interested in shopping, pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on the link tree, the first blue link under the video, which I may have mentioned in the last video. My email address is underneath the link tree. When you click show more, you'll find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe, as well as my email address, the very first thing. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I believe I mentioned that already. I'll let you guys be. Check the Teespring clothing. It's spring clothing underneath the video. Nobody's been there for a while. I'd love it if you'd stop by. My Legalerist is investment quality clothing. It's the top link on the link tree. It's got some of my favorite gorgeous, most gorgeous patterns on some beautiful dresses made in Montreal, as well as other items like kimono tops and just things everybody likes to have in their closet. So, thank you again. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, thanks for joining me. And I should zoom in. Yeah, let's do that. Because it's nothing but a minefield of patterns. And little lines and some blocks. Silver and yellow. Odd combination. Works though. Looks like I need some more purple. I got 1 purple spot. Alright. Maybe I'll add a little more purple when you're gone. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you. See you 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. I've been doing 2 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, sometimes Friday too. All right, bye.